The new HJC I-91 is designed with touring and cruising riders in mind. It has a slim and stylish design that's lightweight, making sure your journey is safe and enjoyable. The helmet also has improved aerodynamic performance, helping riders stay focused on their adventure.
Magandang araw mga ka-Ride Safe Moto. Papakalala ko lang sa inyo itong ating HJC I-91. So ito ay isang modular helmet na dual visor. So ito ay bagong labas lang ng HJC. Then ito ay intercom ready na. Then ito ay naka smart HJC ready na rin. So ang shell nito is advanced polycarbonate composite. Then 2206 ECE approved na rin siya. Nasigurado safe ang mga ulo nyo. Then meron pa, ang pinaka-lens nito ay naka-dynamic multi-step sun shield. So hindi talaga kayo maiinitan ng inyong mata. Then meron din siyang kasamang anti-fog, lalo na pag nag-uulan, hindi mag-moist ang mga inyong visor. So SRP tayo dito. SRP niya starting ng 12,590, may 13,990, tsaka 14,490 dito sa ating I-91. So ito available, ito all sizes. Then available din ito sa lahat ng Ride Safe Moto branches, from Imus branch, Kawit, Bacoor, Muntinlupa branch, Taytay branch, and Antipolo branch. So kaya, sugod na.
Gear up, stay protected. Shop at Ride Safe Moto. We have 6 branches. Ride Safe Moto Imus, Ride Safe Moto Bacoor, Ride Safe Moto Kawit, Ride Safe Moto Rizal, Ride Safe Moto Muntinlupa, Ride Safe Moto Antipolo. And you can visit our online store at Ride Safe Moto PH. Come and get your head in the game with our high quality helmet.